Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert date in your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll add current date space of this PDF file. Select organize option. Now select your header and footer option. Select add and click on this page number option and this is date and click on this page number and date format option and this is date specification. I'll add date, month and year this option. Now select OK and where you can add center footer text or right. I'll select right header text as footer header text. I'll select insert. I'll see this current date now inserted. You can increase, decrease font size, color. You can see this margin, auto margin, and see this, and this right margin, and his page rates. You can insert from and insert page number 2. Now select OK and OK and see this date now inserted page number 2 and first page remain below and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.